Today, my baby is eating with me. You know what I'm gonna become when I'm big na? I gonna want to be a delivery driver. Dad, I'm gonna use a motorcycle and someone gonna give me the food and I'll put it inside of my motorcycle and then I'm gonna go to the to people and then they're gonna Gcash me and I can buy a lot of ice cream, brand new car, to a beach. That's what I want to become.
A delivery.
A delivery man.
But delivery man is just an employee.
Oh.
There is the business owner who owns the business. Okay? So, all the payment on the business goes to the business owner. The
Okay.
delivery driver is just paying the salary.
But
He has
you mean salary?
Yes, sahod.
Sahod. Eh, di-
Payment. When you do work, you get a payment.
What is payment?
So you drive and you deliver food to the customers and you get paid. You
That's
get a
what
cash.
That's what I want. You're gonna give me money and I can buy anything.
No, but that doesn't goes to the delivery man. You have to give the payment also to the owner, to the business owner, to the boss. Okay? You're not the boss. You're just a worker. You have a boss.
I'm not a worker.
Yeah. So if you want to get rich, you have to be a businessman. You think of a business like, oh, you want a restaurant or you want to put up a building. Oh, so all the people will gonna pay you and you earn money.
Do you want to be a money businessman?
Oh, businessman.
A money businessman.
So what business do you like?
Hmm. No, no.
What business?
Um,
You think? You said before you want to be an engineer.
Engineer. I don't know how to build car.
But you will learn. That's why you have to study.
I cannot learn because on my Roblox I can build. When I'm big na, I can build too. Diba?
Yes.
Like build a boat. I'm just gonna build a boat and then I'm just gonna put a lot of blocks. See? It looks like building a house.
Yeah, but in real life, you have to study.
I don't need to study. I know it.
No, you don't need to study. You need it. You're still a boy.
I'm still a boy. I don't want to
Or Rory, what do you want to become when you grow up? What do you want to become?
Maybe you want to grow up as a baby daddy.
Baby daddy. What do you want?
Baby daddy.
You will eat all the deliveries.
Baby cannot eat pa the deliveries. Only biscuits tsaka orange lang.
Fruits lang, no? Kasi the baby has no
Teeth
teeth
pa.
yet.
Si Dylan, parang may teeth na. Kita ko.
Opo. Si Dylan, si Kuya Sabi, si Sabi, Dylan, may teeth na sila. Ow! Yum, yum. Okay, water.
Nanay, sa Saturday, let's meet Ate Orange.
Okay.
Kasi I miss na Ate Orange and she's not playing with me anymore.
Okay, so let's ask Tatay to drive us to Ate Orange. We bring
After
some food.
his work,
No, Tatay has no work on Saturday.
the work on Saturday, I want to stay there for
How many
kay
hours
Ate
to play?
Orange.
Wow!
Um,
Wow! Woo, woo, woo!
I'm gonna play for 1 hour
Okay.
because I miss pa si Ate
Yeah,
Orange.
sure.
eh.
Sige.
And
Or
she's
you
not.
tell Ate Orange on the vlog.
Huh?
Mm.
Hmm?
What will you tell Ate Orange? I'm gonna see you on weekend.
I'm gonna see you on Saturday. I'm gonna play for 1 hour with you and play Roblox. Play Roblox in my phone, and you're gonna use your tablet, and then we can play Roblox. We're gonna join Murder Mystery, and then after
Okay,
Murder
there's
Mystery, we're gonna play Build a Boat.
But you have exams pa.
Ah.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. After exams, then you can play. Okay? That's your deal. If you
They have
if you
exams.
do good in your exam, you get a high score, you get a reward from tatay and nanay.
No.
Yay! You don't want a reward?
I want a remote. I want my remote is
What?
gummies and kay Ate Orange.
Okay.
And Ate Orange. We're gonna
Oh, you want
punta
the
kay
gummies?
Ate Orange
Opo.
if I do good, ha?
Okay, promise. Ah, sige.
And then and then and then
Mhm.
and then and then you're gonna need to buy me a potato
Ah,
corner.
sige. Gusto. Daming request. Potato
The
corn.
flavor hack, potato corner dapat sour cream kasi favorite ko sour cream.
Yeah. You like sour cream now, but
I like sour
sa
cream.
McDonald's you like
Barbecue.
Mhm.
Kasi cheese ang mabaho. Kasi
Oh, doesn't smell good. When Rory
You're the
is
only one
big,
who
Rory will
like
gonna
it.
eat also French fries. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, this is your straw. That's your straw. Hindi pwedeng tubig. Tubig. Okay, let's eat your biscuit. Yum yum. That's yummy. That's my baby's food. Rory eats carrots, potatoes, broccoli. What else pa? Apples,
Chicken.
orange.
Saka chicken din.
A little bit lang. Yeah, we can feed her na. Come on, you're almost done. Good job.
What about nuggets? When we eat nuggets?
Next time.
Next time, when this looks like Dylan's can walk now.
Si Dylan is turning 2 years old. Your baby will just turn 1.
Si Dylan's turning 2 na. Si Kimba 2 na.
Hindi, 3 na. Kemba's 3 years old.
Sino?
Opo.
Hindi kita ko. Madang birthday siya.
Yan, nag-3 na si Kemba. Kemba's turning 4 this June. 4 na ang Kemba.
This June.
June 30.
This March.
March, walang may birthday. No one's birthday.
March. What about October?
Your birthday. There's a lot of people whose
What about-
birthday on October.
Who again? One more October. Whose birthday? One more birthday.
Ate Ubas.
I think it's not Ate
Tata
Orange.
Jora. Tito Jet. Tata Jam. You.
Si
Madami.
Bibi. Not
Baby's
si Bibi.
August. Like
Oh.
Dylan's.
What about si Summer?
September si Ate Sam.
What about si Tatay?
July.
I remember something. Tatay has a birthday and then Ma'am Kaloy visit them.
Ah, yeah.
And si Chef Ato
Chef.
and si Ate Liza, remember?
Opo.
And we buy ice cream. That one, remember? Si Bibi,
Wala pa
hindi
nun si
mo-
baby. Nasa tummy po. Di ba? Last year?
Yeah.
Tatay's birthday. Wala pa marami. Nasa tummy ka pa, naninipa ka pa. Okay, last. you to eat your fruits.
Nanay, remember when you're on the doctor, when
Oh.
baby's out na, and you I
What?
video called you, and then I see Robbie with Ate Uba.
Ang Ate Ubas
Yeah,
and you're happy?
and I was eating popsicles noon eh.
You're a good boy lang naman.
Yeah. When I was asleep, I didn't cry.
Very good. Kasi big boy na. Hindi na nagkakry dapat. Ha?
Big na ako eh.
Opo.
Pag iwan ako, hindi ako cry.
Nice. Yan ang kuya.
Yan ang kuya.
Para
big
hindi
kuya.
iiyak din si Rory. Kasi pag nakikita niya ang kuya umiiyak, iiyak din siya. Kasi when she sees someone crying, she's starting to cry.
Starting to cry.
Oo, nasasad din siya. Tapos, iyak din siya. Hmm?
So yung dog's bark, yung bark dun, tapos si baby iiyak. Kasi ang ingay yung mga
Dog.
aso. Ingay naman eh, kasi ang daming aso.
Do you want to finish your you eat your fruits?
I don't want...
Like, yeah, you eat your fruits. Sige.
Andiyan na. One.
You eat 3 na, no?
What you said? Eat 3?
You already eat 3 nuggets.
Huh? I don't know. Yeah.
Prepared for. This is good. You get the juice and just put it down.
Nana, you didn't know the skin is not my favorite. Only the inside is my favorite.
Yeah.
This one. Because there's
pulp.
juice inside.
That's the pulp. One. You don't eat the seeds.
Oh, we can plant with this one.
Sige, try natin.
Try natin.
If it will grow.
The try 5 Gs pag
Pati lemon.
go yan.
Sige. You put it on the
Mama, ano,
soil.
gun,
Sige.
nanay pag,
Oh no, what did you do?
nanay pag 6 na, you plant this na ha. All of these seeds, don't throw it away.
No, we can go out
We can go out to be,
for a while.
how many minutes? 10 or 20? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
15 minutes.
60.
Let's check Nanay's plant.
Did you plant one? Plant?
No. Just water the plant. Okay. Oh, you're always galit.
Hmm?
Okay.
Nanay,
Say guys, thank you for watching.
Nanay, I dreamed something. The one that something with me, but is that just a dream again? I was sleeping. On
You-
Argentina.
You dream, ano?
It's scary stuff.
Oh, scary. You cried?
No, I didn't.
Nanay will get you anak, right? Troy. Si Kuya, oh. Eating.
Afternoon.
We're gonna check the Neo LMS if we have activity
We don't
later.
have
We will finish it quick so that you have
Nanay, is
time.
it Wednesday?
Tuesday.
weekly.
Yeah, Tuesday pala.
Do I have my periodic test
Tomorrow pa.
tomorrow? Do I have a class only
Yeah,
one?
live classes.
What do you
Hindi.
mean like classes?
You have, MS Team class.
What do you mean MS in class?
Online. Online class.
Iyoy ba ba ba, iyoy ba ba ba.
Yes.
Mama, you try to play for Friday Night Funkin'. I challenge you to play Friday Night Funkin'.
Sige. If you finish all your Neo LMS today, we start to review your first exam tomorrow, then we can do it. Okay? I think your first exam is reading and Filipino. Not sure. Reading Filipino. But I know you're
I
good at
think
it.
it's math and EP Filipino.
Math AP Filipino. Nanay will check the schedule. Oh, there's a kiwi here.
Hmm?
Later, let's make some cake. And we'll do the vlog.
What
And you should
cake?
take a bath.
Wag ayaw ko, gusto ko honeycomb.
Yeah, we'll do it both. Okay? We'll do vlog. Both of them.
Mamaya or
Maybe if you take a bath early, I'll prepare the ingredients. And then, we will do the vlog. Yes! Take a bath si Rory. Take a bath ang kuya. Nanay will prepare the
Okay.
ingredients.
Okay,
We'll do
I'm
the
gonna-
baking.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you what is the ingredient. No, I'm gonna go to the YouTube and search how to make a honeycomb.
Cake. We'll do
A
the
honeycomb cake. Ayaw ko.
Hindi pala, honeycomb sugar lang. You're gonna help me do the chocolate banana cake.
Zero.
Cake. Because we have lots of ripe bananas. We're gonna
What
smash
do you
it.
mean ripe banana?
Ripe. Overripe na siya.
What is alright?
It means it's very sweet and
It's
it's
very
good to use as banana cake ingredients.
It's very sweet because it's very sweet to the
ripe na. It's
sweet.
ripe. Kasi if it's not ripe, the fruit is sour. Like the mango.
Gusto ko
Later you will eat
sour. Ano?
mango.
Mango. Gusto ko ng mango. Sarap naman.
And si Rory. Achoo!
Doon ba the orange na lang? Kay baby na lang.
So good. Ganda ng baby namin. Sinong mabait na baby na yan? Ano yun? Love yun ni Kuya? Ano yan? Love namin na. Hey, I want you to eat that. Don't like me.
Ayaw mo na.
I'm gonna put it on the fridge. Eat it later pa.
Nana, do you know Friday Night Funkin' versus zombies versus plants?
Plants versus zombie.
You know that?
I saw it. You're watching it yesterday sa YouTube.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Okay, you say bye to the vlog. I'm done with my
Bye!
breakfast.
Bye to my vlog. I'm done with my break. Bye. Here's your Yaku.